guys, welcome back to Oyoyo and Ducky Kitchen. My name is Ella and I'm here with my little sister Lexi.
Hi!
So today we're going to be making some delicious dessert with a twist. 2 twists to be exact. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell
to be the first one to get a new video.
Woo! So guys, these are the ingredients we're going to be using, but we have here pre-made cake mix. This is the main ingredient. On the instructions, it says you make it with water, vegetable oil, and eggs. But we're not gonna do it that way. We're gonna do it with Ella's hacks. So for our twist, we're gonna add milk and butter. So that way, it's more creamier and moist. Let's do this. Woohoo! All right, so now we're going to start with our cake. We're going to put in the cake mix, all of it.
Come out! Your home can't protect
Don't forget, guys, we're taking over Oyoyo and Ducky's kitchen today, being miniature chefs. Alrighty, now our cake mix is in the bowl. So, Miss Lexi, could you please help me pour in the milk?
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, remember the milk is not added in the original recipe, so this is Dee Dee's twist to make it more moist. So now we're going to add in our eggs and the butter. Remember, butter also is not in the original recipe. We're using this to make it creamier. Now we whisk. Whisk it all together and whisk it very nicely. This looks amazing, guys, and it smells so good. I can't wait to eat this dessert. Okay. Don't forget to also check out the other recipes we did with my mom in Oyoyo's kitchen. And please subscribe and leave a like. Since the original box recipe said to add water, instead I decided to add milk so it's creamier, plus it's part of Ella's hacks. But I'm gonna add just a bit of water just to make it a little less thick. Now we mix. Alright guys, I finished mixing, and this is the consistency in the batter I'm looking for. So now we're going to put this in. We're gonna put these in our cupcake cups, our cupcake liners, and then we're gonna bake them for 18 to 21 minutes. Guys, don't forget to spray your cupcake liners before you put in the filling, the mix, so that way your cupcakes won't stick to your cupcake liners, and they're easier to get out when you want to eat them. Make sure you don't fill up your cupcake liner all the way so that it has room to rise and bake. So guys, now everything is in our cupcake liners, and we're going to take these and put them in the oven. We're going to be baking at 350 degrees, and these will bake for 18 to 21 minutes. So don't forget, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and click those post notification bells so you get our videos firsthand. So let's go ahead. So guys, our delicious desserts are out of the oven. We're going to let them cool, and then we're going to plate this. Do give this recipe a try. You will not regret it. Don't forget, guys, tell me in the comment section if I did a good job, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, friends. Alright guys, our desserts are out of the oven and they look so delicious. I can't wait to bite into these, but before we do this, I'm gonna ice one. Alright, let's go. Let's give it a nice swirl. All right, done. Wanna try, Lexi?
Yeah.
I'll help you, okay? Ready? Squeeze.
Oh,
All right, let's move it along.
Goodness. Oh goodness.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Good
Very
job.
cute.
Good job, Lexi.
All right. Let's keep going. I'll help you with this one.
It's a designed cupcake. Oh, I love that thing.
There you go. All done. All right, this is mine.
This is mine.
They look so good. I can't wait to eat these, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Guys, we're going to taste Ella's Hacking Desserts. I have this nicely shaped one, and Lexi's going to taste this one.
It's so cute.
All right, let's taste it. These desserts are very good. Nice and soft and very creamy and rich, just like I expected, guys. Try this recipe, you won't regret it. These desserts are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and comment. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Video. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.